Highly accurate buy and sell perfect trading with indicator setup that works on any time frame and any market. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. In my screen you are seeing the finished setup, and very soon you will have the same chart like me. Please log into tradingview.com accounts. If you don't have one, you can find the link in the description to sign up for free. All those indicators are completely free. So let's start. First thing we need to do is add our first indicator, and let's do it together. Go to indicators tab and search for full suite, and you will see indicator from Insilico. Click that to your chart. So this is our first indicator. Let's see how it works, and then we will add our confirmation indicator soon. For the demonstration purposes, we are now trading Apple on 15-minute time frame, but as I said that this strategy works on any time frame and any market. So those you are asking me that is this strategy working on 1 minute? Yes, this is perfectly works on 1 minute time frame. And now let's start. So for the whole suite indicator, rules are very simple. When we see the green, we will enter long position, and when we see the red, we will enter short position. Easy like that. And now let's look at together. Here we got a very nice bullish buy signal, and we have entered the position here, and this whole suite indicator didn't return to green until, let's see that it keeps green 4 days, and it gave us 8% pure profit. It's very nice profit. So one important thing here is, for all the indicators that we are looking and adding and testing, you need to wait until the bar close to enter any position or exit from any position. So here we got green, yes, and we entered long position, but maybe and most probably in that 4 days whole suite maybe returned to green, but bar didn't close. So what should you do is, you need to wait until the bar close to exit from the position in that scenario. So here we got red, we entered short position. Here we got long position. So here we have entered choppy area. Let me just mark it out so you can see easily. So in this area, what you're gonna do is, you will take very false signals like this. You entered short position here, and suddenly you exited from position with loss or very low profit. And here again we entered long position, and we exit here and entered short position, and etc. So now what I will show you is a confirmation indicator, so that we will pass out those signals in a huge way. Of course there can be some false signals, nothing to do about that. It's trading. There is no 100% win rate in the world. So now let me show you our second indicator. Let's go to indicators tab and search for HalfTrend, and you will see indicator from Everget. Click that to your chart. So now you will see that there is one more buy and sell signals that can confirm us. So here we got a green from the whole suite, and we got buy signal from the HalfTrend, right? So this is a confirmation that you can enter long position. I am a huge fan of these confirmation indicators because, you know, I can rely more on these indicators and make it more powerful. But some of you guys trading on 1 minute, some of you guys trading on 15 minute, maybe forex, maybe crypto, I don't know, and you are wondering the win rate of this strategy. I always strongly suggest you backtest your strategy before you jump into live trading. If you want to backtest this strategy or any strategy you like, I am strongly suggest you use TraderEdge. That is my favorite backtesting platform in the market. It's a great platform to test all your trading strategies easy like 3 to 1. TraderEdge offers 7-day free trial, and if you sign up now with the link in the description, you will get $470 worth of trading course and backtesting guide content for free. Now let's go deeper to HalfTrend indicator. Let's turn off the whole suite and let's see what is it all about. So as you see here that recently it gave us a blue long signal, which means that we will enter long position, right? And here we got short signal, which means we will enter short position. You see here, it's very choppy area. For that reason, we are not relying on this indicator itself. What we're gonna do is we will turn on our whole suite indicator, start to talk about the conditions. The first one I would like to show you is the sell condition. And here we got a sell signal from the HalfTrend, and there is a very special thing that you need to learn. After we got sell signal, we will check the whole suite indicator, and here we see that it's green. So we have just two conditions. The first one is whole suite must be red, and the second one is HalfTrend must be red. So in that scenario, we got HalfTrend, which is short, and we will wait only 2 bars, which means that 30 minutes if I am using 15-minute time frame. After that 30 minutes, if the whole suite returns to red, we can enter short position. But even if it is in the 3rd bar or 45 minutes later returns to red, we are not taking any position. This is very important. Do not skip that. Do not jump into trade. There will be always opportunity waiting for you. So this is very important. The condition is here met because after the 15 minutes we got green, and after the 2nd bar we see whole suite return to red, which means the condition is checked and we can enter short position. This was the sell condition, and now let me show you the buy condition. And let's look at the next example. Let me just delete this. So here we got the buy signal, and we are checking the whole suite. If it is green, yes, it is green, we can enter long position. So easy trade. If you entered the position here, so you will carry your position until you see sell signal from the HalfTrend. Very easy rules. So we took 0.9% profit, which is nice. For the stop loss, I would like to show you my personal stop loss strategy. If I enter a trade here, I will put my stop loss under this support line. If that breaks here, if you see any breakdown, I am out of the position. I will take a look at the next trade. Very important. Never move your stop loss up or down, please. And now let's switch the time frame to 5 minutes and let's see how it works in that time frame. And in the recent time we got buy signal, and whole suite confirmed us we can enter long position from here, and we will carry our position until we see a sell signal from the HalfTrend, which is here 1.7% profit, and we have entered a short position here. This is a recent trade, and we will put our stop loss here. If it is hits there, we are out of the position. Easy like that. The final thing is, let me show you the settings of these indicators. First, let's go with the whole suite, and these are my settings. My variation is HMA, length is 55, multiplier is 1, and higher time frame is 4 hours, and you can see the rest of it, and my style is like that. So close this and go to HalfTrend. All my style setting is as you see it on the screen, and my inputs is 2 to 2. You can do it the same, or you can, I don't know, play it out and backtest again, play it out, backtest it again. You can do it yourself. These indicators are highly popular on Tradingview.com, and you will see it when you type in there, and you will see a lot of favorites. So I hope you enjoyed this strategy. If you found some valuable content in my video, please hit that like button and consider watching that video. It will help you a lot. Until the next time, see you soon.